Hello. In this video, we will identify the main idea and supporting details of a text. When you read a text, do you always remember it? Can you tell someone else what you learned? Finding the main idea can help. The main idea is the most important idea in the text, but it is not always easy to find. Start by looking for important pieces of information called supporting details. The first sentence of this passage tells us the topic of the text, the Pony Express. Highlight this. What did the Pony Express do? It got mail to California. Let's highlight this too. What else is important about the Pony Express? It was a long distance. Finally, we read that the route was often dangerous. What made it so dangerous? We can highlight these parts too. Here are the supporting details. Pony Express, get mail, St. Joseph, Missouri to Sacramento, California. Route was nearly 2,000 miles, often dangerous, rough terrain and bad weather, and risk of attack. Let's put these details together into one main idea. The Pony Express got mail from Missouri to California, but it was often dangerous and required riders to risk their lives. This main idea tells the most important idea of the passage. Being able to state the main idea shows you understand what you've read. That's how you identify a main idea and the details that support it. See you next time.